Hi, in the last video, we have seen how to submit this change proposal to QGIS Documentation. The video ends where you are supposed to wait for some core contributor to review your work. Quite oftenly, reviewers request or suggest improvements to your work. In this video, I will show you how to add more changes to your proposal, what is called in GitHub language a pull request. If you are logged in GitHub, to go back to your pull request, click on the pull requests button on the top of the page. Then select your pull requests and open it. In this example, you see that someone, actually my alter ego, made some comments and suggestions to the work. The reviewer asks for some changes before he can merge the work into QGIS official repository. The first comment comes with a suggestion, which is a nice GitHub feature. If you agree with the suggestion, all you need to do is click the Commit Suggestion button. A small dialog opens where, like before, you can write a descriptive commit message, but don't worry too much. We can use the default one in this case. Just click Commit Changes. You can confirm that the suggestion was integrated in your proposal in several places. You will notice the commit message in the bottom of the Conversation tab. Also, if you go to the Commits tab, you can confirm that there are now two changes, also known as commits, in the list. One done by you, this one, and the other one done by you and the reviewer. Finally, in the Files Changed, you can confirm that now both the year and the spaces are changed in the final proposal. Let's go back to the Conversation tab. If you recall, there was another request made by the reviewer, but because the last change was made on the same line, the comments are marked as outdated. Click the Show Resolved to see the rest of the comments. The reviewer asks to add a period in the end of the sentence, so let's do it. Go back to the Files Change tab. To the right of the name of the file, click the More Options and then Edit File. Scroll down and add a period in the end of the sentence. Now notice the options of the commit changes. Because you are now editing the file in your own repository, you can choose between directly commit the change into your patch 1 branch or create a new branch with only this change. I know I promised that we would talk about what a branch is, but for now, let's just commit the change in your patch 1 branch. Once again, don't worry too much about the commit message. Notice that now the file changed is complete, including the period. Now that you have covered all the recommendations made by the reviewer, it's time to wait for his final call. In the Conversation tab, make a comment adding his name and asking for a review again. And that's it. This is how you add more changes to your pull request. In the next video, we will see how to add changes to files that have not been edited on your first proposal.